Jr2, good morning. How are you today? We started a new chapter called Helping My Habitat, and we moved from the sky to the land. We learned about our environment. Who remember the meaning of environment? Environment, everything around us, living or non-living. Our environment includes plants, animals, natural and human-made objects. So environment is the surroundings or conditions in which a person, plant, or animal lives. Do you remember the word infer? Infer means that we can give reason about something without being told, or to guess or to expect what happened, okay, without being told. Here in picture number 1, we have a cat and a broken vase, okay? From her reaction, I can guess, I infer that the cat broke the vase. Nobody told me that the cat broke the vase, but from her reaction, I can guess, I can infer that the cat broke the vase. In picture number 2, I have a house, okay? Who might live here? A human, a dog, a cat? Think. From its size, I infer, I guess, okay, it's a house for a dog. Why? Because it's too small for a human and too big for a cat. So I infer from its size, it's a house for a dog. So infer means we can give reason about something without being told. And we talked about habitat. And we said habitat supplies air, water, food, and shelter for a living organism. So habitat is a home for a living organism. Our environment includes different habitats, such as desert, city, forest, and farmland. Let's watch a video about the different habitats.
I'm a camel from the desert habitat. My home is the desert sand. There's less water and less food, but I store it in my hump and I am good. My pet feet help me walk on the hot sand because I'm a camel from the desert habitat. I'm a goat from the mountain habitat. My home is the cold mountain land. I have thick hair to keep me warm from the cold winter storm. I have hooves to walk on tricky rocky paths because I'm a goat from the mountain habitat. I'm a fish from the water habitat. I like to live amidst the rich corals. I can swim with my tail and fins and breathe with the help of my gills. I eat smaller fish and plants on the waterbed because I'm a fish from the water habitat.
We talked about plants and animals' need in this chapter. And we said they need food, water, air, shelter to survive and to stay alive. Remember the word steward. We took in this chapter this word too. And we said the steward is the person who takes care of the environment. As you know, by the end of the chapter, there is a project. Your project this time will be to choose a local animal to research. You will choose any animal you see near to your home in your environment, okay? We chose the homeless dogs, okay? And our project will be to make a small house for the homeless dogs to put the clean food inside it. Do you remember the engineering design process? We said engineering design process, it's a group of steps. We use it to solve a problem. Can you tell me what are the steps of the engineering design process? Number 1, idea. Number 2, materials. Number 3, plan. Number 4, build. Number 5, improve. and we will use these steps to create the house for the homeless dogs in our project. Do you remember this page? We said that you will work in a group. Okay, here you wrote your name and your group's name. What's the problem we will solve? We said that the homeless dogs eat from the garbage, okay? And we will help them to eat clean food. How? By making a small house. And in this picture, we will use the engineering design process. Step number 1, idea. Here we wrote 3 ideas and we used idea number 3 to create a tool and put inside it food for dogs in front of my home. Here in this page, step number 2 and 3, materials and plan. We used a cardboard box, yellow, brown, and black sheets, and we used scissors and glue. Here in plan, we draw a picture for the box from a frontal view. Here in lesson 8, page 137, titled Our Project Build, we are in step number 3, okay? We created the box. As you build, you will face challenges, okay? Some difficulties. Work with your group to solve them and record notes below. Here we have a table from 2 columns, okay? Number 1, challenges. Number 2, solutions, okay? In challenges, you will write about the challenges you faced when you created the box, okay? So your challenges was, it was hard to fix the sheet on the box, okay? You cannot fix the sheet on the box alone. How did you solve this? Solutions. We cooperated together as a group, okay? One holded the sheet and another one used the glue to fix the sheet on the box. After this, we will move to page 138, titled Our Project Test. Now we created the box. After this, we will taste it. Test your product to find out what you can improve and record notes below. Our product is a food container for the dogs or a house for the dogs. Okay? Number 1, how will you test your product to make sure it works? How can I test my product? I will make a door opening to allow the dog enter the box and to eat. Okay? And I will measure the door openings. I will write 3 measurements to test the door opening. Okay, measure number 1, 1 hand space. Measure number 2, 1 hand and half space. Measure number 3, 2 hands space. Okay? Did your product work as planned? Yes. Describe any problems that your product had. Okay, I had a problem. The box cannot take more than 1 dog. So here in this page 139, titled Our Project Improve, I will try to improve my product. Okay? Step number 5, improve. Discuss with your group and another group how can your products be improved. List changes that your group can make that will improve your product. The change will be to make the box takes more than 1 dog. Okay, and I will repeat my measurements. So here I have another 3 measurements. Number 1, 1 arm space. Number 2, 1 arm and half space. Number 3, 2 arms space. Has your product improved? Yes, I improved my product so the box can take more than 1 dog now.